Bingo. Now this goes down. Oh. Here we have too many small growths, and this growth is not that strong. So this we are going to eliminate this one because most of this growth is not going to be a future strong stack or a trunk. So I will, but even so, I'm going to probably from all this growth in here, I'm going to select one and see what happens in the next 2 years. And we are going to select this one that is coming all from the bottom. This one hopefully will be a strong stack in there. This one here, we need to eliminate this one because it's leaning too much. Here now, this one is all the way from the bottom. It looks a very strong one, so we're going to select this one. That one is pretty good. We said this little one we're going to select in here, but this another little one here too close to these two trunks, so we eliminate. At the same time, I will balance that one. When I do the cuttings of the fronts of the leaves, I try to balance the height. In here, I will cut the one here, so we can do one right at the same height. The one there, and then the other one. As you can see, I cut from the inside out, and then make the cut in a little bit of angle, not too straight, not too how you call this, in an open angle, a little more close angle like this, from inside out, and that way we don't damage the tissue that stay in the plant. Again in here, I'm same height from inside out, so it looks balanced in here. It looks more attractive if we do it that way.
Boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, 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 shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, 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 shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, 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 shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, 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 shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, 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 shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom, boom, shaka shaka boom.
So as you can see now, the clamp looks a lot more open. Plenty of room for the tank that we have in there, the clamp to grow. In the future, in a year or 2 years, we start selecting one of these best growths, and the one that is leaning too much or looks like it's a little bit weak, we eliminate those. But for now, this selection is good enough for now. The clamp looks nice and clean, and we're selecting the stronger growth in here. And we, as you can see, this is a younger growth. This is the medium size. This is a little bit older. Medium size, a little larger, and larger, and largest. This one you're getting closer to the chimney in there, so probably this one we are going to eliminate this one probably pretty soon, like now. So this, what I'm going to do, carefully I will cut it in here so it's not going to damage the house. I'm not going to damage the plant. Bingo. Now this goes down. Oh. Down there. All right. So this is the way that you cut some of the big trunk of the. It's not a big deal. Actually, that one could come down. So this one, see, this one we will cut it down in pieces until we come to somewhere in here, and we leave this one in here to keep the soil in there, holding the soil until this soil and small ones start growing and get larger. Okay. I don't have nothing in there. I think this one, nothing in there that will break. I think I can cut this one also. So now you can see this a little bit lower, a little bit more clear, more sun coming through, more light coming through, more sunlight coming through. This is the handsaw, they cut pretty well. This is a Corona handsaw. I like this one. Raised blade. It cuts real good. Be careful, don't cut your fingers. You can see in here, look at. Nice fine cut in there. There. All right. This is my smoking gum. Okay, so I think this is enough for pruning, how to pruning and clean up a giant bed of paradise. Good luck, you guys. If you have any question, please. If you have any question, please give me a call, and then you put in there somewhere in there that you really like me. Hey, I will see you the next time. This is Vargas Landscaping.
Shaka shaka boom boom, shaka shaka boom.